Etsy have changed their algorithm to help you rank on Google. This is a sneaky change that they've not actually announced to anyone, and I'm one of the first people to know about this. Oh, that sounds like such a brag. Let me explain. For those that don't know, I have been asked to give webinars in the Etsy UK and Canada shop camp. And the latest one, I have been talking about how to rank on Google. And in just the past couple of days, I found a new secret thing. I will dive straight into it. The Etsy SEO clever people have changed the coding on your Etsy listing videos to allow them to be indexed by Google. Now I know half of you are going to moan already. You're going to be like, oh no, not videos. Videos are the future. But why this is really cool, and it is really cool. Like, Google is so important. To be able to rank on Google is amazing. And there's numerous places you can rank on Google. Being able to rank for videos is a great thing. And look, let me just show you some of the things I am talking about here. So here is Google. Now, I'm going to search for something pretty basic. You can see I've already searched for this before. Now, this is a very long tail keyword, but I make a corgi paperclip bookmark, but it's not something very, very competitive. So I know that I will show up. I've got a chance of showing up on Google for this. So this is just for the sake of experimentation. But on the main page, on the all bit of Google, you have some chances to rank on Google with things from your Etsy shop. As you can see here, first thing is the Google ads. Now, these are the Etsy offsite ads that we're seeing from here. And you can see that is actually my listing sitting there. So Etsy offsite ads shown by Google. I'm already, if anyone's searching for a corgi paperclip bookmark, I know it's very niche, but I'm already ranking there. So that's one place you can rank on Google, but obviously we have to pay for that. The other thing, quite often at the top of the Google search, you'll see images. And again, this is brilliant. I've got two things. Yeah, I don't know where that picture's coming from just now. I'd have to check, but that one is even showing that it's a product. You can buy it, and that's free. That's Google showing me in the organic search, but they're taking images and putting them at the top of the search. And sometimes they put videos, and there is a rumor from a pretty reliable source that short videos are going to be embedded here. And by short videos, this is likely to mean, well, two things just now. YouTube Shorts. Absolutely YouTube Shorts, because Google owns YouTube, so they like to show their things here. TikTok also, because TikTok videos actually have their own URL. Unlike quite a lot of the other things, they are easier to show up. But now Etsy videos, and I'm thinking not just the listing videos, but once the Etsy Explorer goes live, they could show up on the main page, on the main search page of Google. But then you have all the other things. But already just now you can look in, you can focus in your search. And if you focus in your search for videos, already we can see this is fantastic. In the search results page under videos, Etsy listings that have videos, the Etsy listing videos are already indexed, they're already embedded, they're already on Google. So this is free. This is not Etsy offsite ads. This is Google having indexed Etsy and seeing this and showing this as a search result. So this is free. So yeah, here's a, does it play directly from? No, it takes you to the Etsy page. Wasn't sure if it would play directly on there, but it takes you to Etsy. But still, that is fantastic. And let's have a look. It's all Etsy, YouTube, AliExpress. Oh, me again. Woohoo. There you go. So with your listing videos, you can now show up on Google. This is absolutely huge. Okay, I don't want to blether on about this too much. That's all I've got to say. This is a brand new thing. Nobody, I don't know why Etsy didn't announce this. This has been a secret little sneak out launch, but it's there. It's live. It's actually happening. Your listings can show up on Google for free if you have videos. And obviously you've got to think of the keywords and everything else. You know, you're not going to show up for something like rings or something because there'll be millions of results on that. But now we're being indexed for videos. It's a good place to get ahead. So I'm going to say it is really the time to look into creating more videos. And my friend Starla Moore, who is really excellent at this kind of thing, is just about to release a video on making videos for your products. So once that's released, I will it'll be up there somewhere, up there. I'll put a link to her video once that's live. And for just now, if that's not live yet, just let me know in the comments down below what you think of all of this. How are you using videos? Have you found yourself on Google yet with your videos? Are you hating the idea of making videos? Are you loving the idea? Is it a creative challenge or a nightmare? I'm going to say, I'm sorry, but if you get left behind and don't make videos just now, this is going to be in a couple of years. It's going to be as weird as someone saying, oh, I don't like to take pictures. I don't like to take pictures of my items. We're going to need to do videos, but there's ways to make it easier. There's ways to do things that are Starla's going to tell you. In fact, if this is something you're interested in, let us know, and we will both make some videos on different ways, ideas for making videos, how to video edit, all the things to make this easier, because video's the future. Anyway, let me know what you think as always, and I will see you next time.